Hi guys, here is how you can use the ready-to-use toolkit for DeepLiveCam, Face Fusion and others. We'll quickly show it for DeepLiveCam now. After getting the Google Drive link, choose the application you want to use. For instance, if you want to use DeepLiveCam, simply open it, and here is the ready-to-use file. This is the main file we want. Here is the license information, and here is the screenshot of the application. Now let's download this. Simply tap here and click on download. Download anyway. The file is being downloaded. Please note the file size is about 2.73 GB, so please make sure you download the whole file. Now it is downloading and this will take some time. So the download has been completed. Show in folder. Here is the DeepLiveCam folder. I will move it to the desktop. Paste it here. So here is the file. Now this has been zipped using WinRAR. If you do not have WinRAR, then simply Google WinRAR. And you can find this official website. Click on it and then download WinRAR. After that, install it on your computer. Once WinRAR is installed, you can easily extract the files. Right click on it and I will extract it here. The file size is quite big, so this will take some time. So the file has been extracted. Now all you have to do is open the folder and simply double click this bat file. It will auto use GPU if you have NVIDIA or will use CPU. Initial launch may take some time. So here is DeepLiveCam and you can easily use it. Simply select the face. Here is a sample photo. Click on Live and use it. You do not need to install Python or any other installations whatsoever. I will close this all for now. So you will only need this folder. For this zip, you can keep it as a backup or simply delete it. Whenever you want to use it, open this DeepLiveCam folder and run this bat file. Likewise, you can do it for Face Fusion, DeepFake Cam, etc. Thank you very much.